Well, robots one day replace the surgeon in the operating room, and how close are we to that reality? Today on the Spark Dialogue, we explore the future of surgery, and we are invited Dr. He.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex He. I'm the founder and the CEO of MedBot. We develop and promote the innovation of surgical robot.
Elon Musk just said in 3 years, he believed that the humanoid robots can surpass the capability of the top surgeon from experience.
I'm pretty sure his judgment will bring us our echo regarding human robot for medical service, surgical operation, and also in our area we call that autonomous surgery. But regarding the timeline, I want to say that we are not that optimistic, considering the autonomous surgery involving lots of very complicated technology. I'm pretty sure that autonomous surgery is the future of robotic surgery. 3 years too short time. Maybe we need 10 years, 30. Yeah. Actually, the surgical robot, when we talk about its technique performance, I would say it's not just match the scale of human operation. You can say it even exceed the performance of human hand operation, motion and sensing. For motion control, we have lots of very advanced algorithm to increase precision, accuracy, to make sure to perform a very precise, tiny operation on very tiny organs. We talk about rotation of the human hand. It's kind of around 180 degrees, but for our surgical robot instrument tip, it can rotate to up to 540 degrees.
Surgical robots can empower human surgeons to accomplish more complicated cases, operations, right?
Yes, with such kind of more advanced performance in sensing and motion. So that means the surgeon can fail and can perform the operation with a much better accuracy, perform much better clinical outcome. Yeah, we are quite exciting to see MedBot, Tomy robot already became the top 2 player and product for international market. We already enter more than 50 countries. For lots of countries, we are only and the first surgical robot to perform surgery. So lots of emerging countries, they are waiting for this technology for more than 20 years. They are expecting a more affordable and good enough surgical robot solution. It just announced the first animal surgery based on large model. For that project, we built a very advanced AI large model. You can ask the AI what you are doing and what's your next step, is there any problem? And the AI can answer you, can have interaction with you. But we already kind of established a fundamental technology for future autonomous surgery. That's the first step.
After talking about so many professional aspects, points, let's back to the patients.
We can see that different robots have different function and clinical value to patient. Without surgical robot, such kind of complicated cancer surgery, you need to perform that within open surgery method. That means that you will have very big trauma on human skin. We may need very long time, very difficult to recover time. But with robotic surgery, abdominal surgical robot, we can place the open cancer surgery using a minimally invasive way. Patient can recover in a very short time. Eventually, that can even reduce the whole cost.
Development of the surgical robots is definitely good news for patients
yes,
for a while.
That's pretty sure.
From the doctor, the professional side, how will the surgical robotics reshape the skills they need to learn, and also the way they practice in terms of the medical service?
That's a very good question. I'm pretty sure lots of hospitals we are beginning to introduce surgical robot as a standard surgical equipment in their OR. Surgeon, if they can, for example, if they can begin to train for surgical robot during their medical university studies, they will be much better prepared for the future robotic surgical operation in the hospital.